Sandy, Carlos, we have to descend.
We have to descend.
No, we are climbing. 340.
Yeah, but we need to reduce.
Don't need
Select the.
Remember, I think it's failure first. So we are heading 280, descending now. Flight level 150, request damage to
Oh, Father! Oh, Father! This is the time
Ah. Ah. Although, although personally, I cannot confirm that that was actually Wike Kabashin in that video because we don't see the face, but the voice sound familiar. Sha. Ah. Oh, I made this man go open church. Some things can humble some people, sha. Hmm. See, person dey form hard man, hard to touch, the unshakable shaker, the Gandus Gandusa. The only one that has the final say when it comes to River State. Hmm? Yeah, just one small breeze dem blow. Ah, God abeg. Be like say you go need to dey blow this breeze small small for some of our leaders. Prove to them say na you still be God because some of them na don dey take your position now. Hmm? Just if na small, just blow them small breeze for their jet so that they go dey at least they go remember say yes, there is a supreme being that exists above there. Hmm? Eh? Blood of Jesus. Wetin remain na to speak in tongues. Kai. God. Eh? We thank God say you no bad pass like this. But sometimes situations like this go just humble you, sha. But what do you think about this video? What do you think? I see some comments, some funny comments. Some people say, now wow. Now even the comment it is well. It is well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This is The Unknown with BMP. I'll see you in the next video.